Ferrari Testarossa. Many of you would take this car to the car show and enjoy the day with a cup of coffee. Some of you might take this car drifting in the snow. Some of you might go the extra mile and put a Liberty Walk kit, drop the car and put some badass wheels on it. And then there's some of you that will go another level up and tow a Ferrari Testarossa with another Ferrari Testarossa. And that would be freaking cool. Clearly someone did this already and it's amazing. But Gasmonkeygarage took this Testarossa that I'm talking about to a whole nother level, and it's freaking insanity, man. They went electric, and I know many of you are not fans of electric cars, and I get it. You want to hear that V8, that V10, or that V12 roar instead of an electric fan. We're not even a fan, just humming. But check this Ferrari Testarossa out. It's badass. They call it the Testa. And you're probably thinking, Tesla. You get the point. EV, electric vehicle. So we have the EV Ferrari Testarossa powered by Legacy EV. Here are some behind the scenes clips from Gasmonkeygarage where they started creating and modifying this Ferrari Testarossa to what they created now. And these guys worked thousands and thousands of hours to create this EV Testarossa, and welding and modifying, extending, cutting, everything you can think about. But here they are. And this car came out so good. One feature that I absolutely freaking love about the Ferrari Testarossa, it's that front seat. So they use the same method that they have in the McLaren Speedtail guys, the middle seat. So 3 people fit in this car, which is freaking awesome, man. Drop your comment below and let me know what you think of this beautiful Ferrari Testarossa EV. They call it the Testa. Oh, you're still there, sorry. Okay, not only did these guys create a Ferrari Testarossa EV, but I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. They also took a crashed Ferrari A12 Superfast and did this to it. So, Richard Rollins and the guys over at Gasmonkeygarage bought this Ferrari A12 Superfast from Copart, and they did an amazing job retransforming this Ferrari, and it looks freaking phenomenal. You're gonna love how this turned out. I know I wore the right hat for the right occasion because it's Ferrari talk. Ferrari talk. You better take a good look at this. This is what you call an image of perfection. The A12 Superfast and the Testarossa side by side. The guys over at Gasmonkeygarage, outstanding job, guys. Well done.